Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Apple Pay not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. First of all guys, you have to just simply open settings. From here guys, you have to make sure that you are properly connected on internet, and after that scroll to below, then tap on channel and tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iPhone. So guys, if there have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then again go back, and from here guys, simply tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there have any connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that go back, and from here guys, simply tap on language or region, and you have to make sure that the Apple CarPlay is working on your region. So guys, select your correct region, and after that again go back and tap on shutdown, and after that restart your device for one time and again open your device, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.